How to install apps in Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote to open the main menu and access the Smart Hub, which is the starting point for app downloads. Step number 2. Navigate to the Apps section. Using the arrow keys on your remote, scroll to the Apps option in the Smart Hub menu. Select it by pressing the Enter button on your remote. This will take you to the Samsung App Store. Step number 3. Browse or search for apps. In the Apps section, you'll see a variety of app categories, including popular apps, entertainment, and video. You can browse these categories to explore available apps. If you know the app you want to install, use the search function, which is often represented by a magnifying glass icon. Type the app name to find it quickly. Step number 4. Select the app you want to install. Once you locate the app you wish to download, select it to open the app's detail page. Here, you can read more about the app and view user ratings. Step number 5. Install the app. On the app detail page, select Install. The app will begin downloading to your Samsung Smart TV. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Step number 6. Access your installed app. After the app has finished installing, you'll find it in your apps list on the home screen. To open it, simply select the app and press Enter on your remote. Step number 7. This is optional. Add the app to home screen for easy access. To make frequently used apps more accessible, you can add them to the home screen. Highlight the app in the Apps section, press and hold the Enter button, then choose Add to Home from the options.